Picture yourself in the 2021 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, power steering. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.